Have you ever felt like you're trapped in a cycle of relationship ups and downs despite your best intentions? Picture this, you're pouring your soul into a relationship, but somehow it just keeps slipping through your fingers. Could there be something about your personality that's influencing these patterns? Well, you're about to find out. INFJs, often known as the advocates, are one of the most intriguing personality types out there. They're compassionate, intuitive, and have an uncanny ability to understand the unspoken emotions of those around them. But hey, no one's perfect, right? Even these insightful souls can face their fair share of challenges when it comes to relationships. We'll uncover the layers, dissect the traits, and shed light on how this unique personality type can inadvertently complicate matters of the heart. So whether you're an INFJ looking for self-discovery or someone eager to understand the dynamics at play, this video is your compass. Let's jump right in. At the heart of the challenges that INFJs can unintentionally create in their relationships lies a struggle with being controlling. However, it's important to recognize that this control tendency isn't always about bossing others around in the traditional sense. It's a more intricate internal form of control that can have significant implications on their interactions with others. So let's delve into this aspect to better understand the dynamics that can lead INFJs to inadvertently ruin relationships. INFJs possess a dominant function known as Introverted Intuition, which plays a crucial role in shaping how they perceive the world around them. Introverted intuition is like a mental filter that seeks to distill the multitude of experiences, people, and situations into patterns and abstract concepts. This inclination to reduce complexity into manageable form allows INFJs to navigate the world with a sense of order and control. This control tendency might not be immediately apparent because it's not about overtly commanding others. Rather, it's about controlling the perceived chaos by transforming it into something more graspable. For INFJs, introverted intuition is like a lens through which they filter reality. They take the people and experiences in their lives and convert them into abstract patterns and concepts. This approach brings them a sense of security, as they believe they can exert a measure of control over their surroundings by dealing with the abstract rather than the unpredictable concrete. Imagine if you were trying to understand the behavior of a family member like your cousin Bobby. Instead of engaging with the actual complexity of who Bobby is, an INFJ might create an abstract version of Bobby in their mind. This abstract version is easier to comprehend, as it's stripped of the messiness and unpredictability that often characterizes real human behavior. This process makes them feel as though they've gained some control over the situation. They're dealing with their interpretation of Bobby, not the complex Bobby himself. By distilling their surroundings into these abstract forms, INFJs believe they're mitigating the inherent chaos and unpredictability of life. This leads them to the erroneous belief that they can effectively predict how others will behave. However, the problem surfaces when these predictions fall apart. As humans are ever-evolving beings, deviations from expected behavior are inevitable. Yet the INFJ's need for control can lead to anxiety and overreactions when someone doesn't fit neatly into their abstract constructs. This internal struggle, driven by their personality type's dominant function, is what can unintentionally create turbulence in their relationships. Now let's turn our attention to their inferior function, Extroverted Sensing, which plays a pivotal role in understanding how INFJs inadvertently undermine their relationships. Extroverted Sensing is an INFJ's Achilles heel, residing in the shadow of their dominant Introverted Intuition. Extroverted Sensing is all about embracing the concrete world in its raw, unfiltered form, devoid of the layers of subjective meaning that Introverted Intuition thrives on. This contrast between Introverted Intuition and Extroverted Sensing is a critical point of tension for INFJs. While Extroverted Intuition reduces everything to abstract patterns and concepts, Extroverted Sensing deals with the immediate sensory experience, accepting reality as it is rather than seeking hidden meanings. In relationships, this dynamic can become particularly problematic. As INFJs lean into their dominant introverted intuition, they often overemphasize it to avoid engaging with their inferior extroverted sensing. This results in an overindulgence in abstract conceptualizations of people and situations, inadvertently leading to a skewed understanding of reality. This imbalance can breed a sense of control and predictability, which feels comfortable to INFJs, but detaches them from the genuine experiences of those around them. The clash between dominant introverted intuition and inferior extroverted sensing contributes significantly to how INFJs unintentionally sabotage their relationships. The inclination to turn people into abstract concepts clashes with the reality of human unpredictability. By striving to distill others into predictable patterns, INFJs miss the beauty of embracing people as they are, unconditionally. The pattern-focused mindset of INFJs can unknowingly lead to the formation of unrealistic expectations in their relationships. As they conceptualize people into specific patterns, they inadvertently create a mental blueprint of how those individuals should behave and interact. This blueprint becomes a set of expectations that INFJs may not even consciously realize they have. When reality inevitably deviates from these imagined patterns, it can result in friction and conflict within relationships. Picture this: your partner, whom you've known for years, suddenly expresses an interest in taking a cooking class. As an INFJ, you might find yourself baffled and even a bit anxious. This new development doesn't fit the pattern you've meticulously crafted in your mind. This seemingly minor event can trigger a chain reaction of emotions: confusion, irritation, and even anger. These emotions stem from the underlying fear of losing control and the discomfort caused by unexpected changes. What should have been a simple instance of personal growth becomes a source of conflict due to the mismatch between the mental pattern and reality. Navigating this pattern-driven mindset is crucial for healthier relationships. While it's understandable to seek stability and predictability, it's equally important to acknowledge the fluidity of human nature. Embrace the fact that people, including your loved ones, will change and evolve over time. Instead of imposing rigid expectations, allow space for growth and individuality. Rather than viewing deviations from your mental blueprint as threats, see them as opportunities for connection and discovery. One of the less discussed ways that INFJs inadvertently sabotage relationships is through the erosion of trust and love. The root of this issue often lies in their control tendencies. Overreactions triggered by deviations from their expected patterns can gradually erode the foundation of trust. When small changes lead to disproportionate responses, it not only raises doubts about the INFJ's trustworthiness, but also fosters an environment of uncertainty. The concept of unconditional love becomes strained as these reactions suggest that love is contingent upon conforming to the INFJ's anticipated behaviors. Distinguishing between genuine concern and stifling control is vital for healthy relationships. While INFJs might believe they're acting out of care, their control-driven behaviors can inadvertently smother the essence of their connections. It's crucial to find the balance between expressing concern and allowing room for individuality and growth. True unconditional love entails providing space for personal evolution and choices, even if they diverge from expected patterns. Building an environment where individuals feel valued and accepted, regardless of their deviations, nurtures authentic connections. The heart of building strong relationships lies in embracing change and complexity. Accepting that people will evolve, have diverse interests, and make choices that might not align with your anticipated patterns is crucial. Letting go of the need for constant control paves the way for deeper connections based on trust and genuine acceptance. Recognizing that love isn't about molding others, but rather cherishing them for who they are in each moment, is a significant step towards nurturing healthier relationships. As INFJs rely on their pattern-focused mindset to navigate life, they unintentionally build walls around their emotions. This is a defense mechanism rooted in the fear of the unpredictable nature of emotions. By shielding themselves from emotional vulnerability, they not only hinder their own personal growth, but also hinder the potential for true emotional intimacy with their loved ones. These emotional barriers have a profound impact on the intimacy and connection within relationships. While they might provide a fleeting sense of control, these walls ultimately prevent the development of deep emotional bonds. The inability to authentically share emotions and thoughts creates a rift between INFJs and their partners, leading to feelings of disconnection and dissatisfaction. Partners may perceive this emotional distance as a lack of genuine engagement in the relationship, fostering confusion and frustration on both ends. To mend and strengthen relationships, INFJs must prioritize vulnerability and authenticity. Recognizing that genuine intimacy thrives on open emotional exchange is crucial. By dismantling these emotional barriers, INFJs can create an environment where their loved ones feel secure in expressing themselves without judgment. Letting go of the control mechanisms and embracing vulnerability paves the way for deeper connections, meaningful interactions, and relationships grounded in trust, empathy, and shared growth. And there you have it, a glimpse into the intricate world of the INFJ's control tendency and its impact on relationships. Remember, understanding these patterns is the first step towards fostering healthier relationships. If you found this information insightful, don't forget to check out the rest of the videos on our channel. And if you've enjoyed this video, show us some love by hitting that like button and dropping us a comment below. But most importantly, make sure to subscribe for more enlightening insights and engaging discussions on all things relationships.